The Fazoxo Bird Feeder with camera combines a roomy feeding station with a full high-definition camera so you can clearly see feather details and behavior rather than just vague shapes at the perch. Its wide viewing coverage, infrared illumination, and strong night vision range make it easy to follow visitors around the feeder, even in deep shade or after dark. The unit is built to handle outdoor life with a solid weather-resistant housing and a waterproof rating that stands up to steady rain, snow, and seasonal temperature swings. A built-in microphone and speaker let you hear birdsong and also use two-way audio through the companion app, which adds a surprisingly immersive feel to casual backyard watching. The optional artificial intelligence bird recognition is especially fun for newer birders, since it can identify an impressive range of species and turn casual viewing into a more educational hobby. Installation is straightforward thanks to the included mounting hardware and long power and data cables, so most people can get it securely set up on a wall, post, or tree without special tools.